to day 3 of the design challenge. So today we're going to be creating something. Today is 13th February, so tomorrow is 14th February. So we're going to be creating something for tomorrow, 14th February. It's a message. For me, this design is a message. It's a message, not just it's a message. So let's get to it. So I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to change the background color. Yep. And then so I'm going to be creating something very simple. Again, very simple. I love creating simple stuff. So we have the next thing to do now, let me write something. Write love like big font, and I think I'm going to choose Sora again, or let's go for other kind of font. So let's centralize it, and love like he loved. Love like he loved. Love like he loved. Alright, so we have something like this. So the next thing to do now is let me add a texture to the design. Let me add a texture to it. So I'm going to delete this and copy it again, and he loved. Take it to the back. Right. So we have something like this. So the next thing to do now is come to look for also bring in this image. Bring in this image here. Alright, something like this, and take it to the back also. Let's see what can I get from here. Alright. Alright, so let me begin. The lens flare to cover the edges. So you can see how I am manipulating the background. So that is how you also, when you're designing, you can also manipulate backgrounds like that. Alright, you can also manipulate background. It's something that is not hard. It's not hard. So you can see what I'm doing. Change the color to white, or rather the color of the background. Bring it here. Copy it, put it up here. Yeah, put it up here like this. Alright, then look, and then bring this hand to the front. This. Yeah. Let's go back and look at this one. Let's reduce the opacity a little. Yeah. So let love like he loved, right? You see, one thing with design is that whenever you're being taught a tutorial like this, what we are teaching you is how to create a design, right? We are not, oh god, we are not limiting your creativity, right? We are not saying your design must look like this. No, you have the freedom to explore. You have the freedom to, to explore and come up with something nice, something good, even better than this. Yeah, you can actually come up with something better than this. So if you don't believe that, if you don't believe that you can actually come up with something better than this, I'm telling you right now that you can actually come up with something better, something good, something, something better than this. Alright, so it's not something that is hard. It's something that's hard. So what you need to do is just try to get the concept, try to get the idea behind every design. Like for this designer, the idea here is love. That's the love of God. That's what I'm trying to. That's the message here, right? That's the message here. So just when you're when you're designing, just understand the message, right? Understand the message. Once you understand the message and you know what to do, you know the concept to use, it's not be something hard for you. Yeah, it's not be something hard for you. So prepare the shape like this, and let's copy the shape and edit it. Edit the shape. Right, increase the shape. Change the stroke to white, and click OK. Very good. So then go to shadow. We have something like this. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to put this guy. Well, let's continue. Alright, so 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 this is our design. Let's say it's very simple and straight to the point. Very simple, right? So just watch the video carefully. Watch it very carefully and replicate. Okay? Watch it very carefully and replicate. And also when you're done, you can post on social media. Post it and tag me. Tag me exactly to set up on Facebook, Twitter like that, on Instagram. Alright? So we'll come to the end of the video. See you in the next video.